Hey everyone, it's Lou here from Sage, and today I'm going to show you how to make our natural cream-based recipe that's on our website, sagecosmetics.com.au. It is a really easy product to make. It's delightful, it's really light, it's lovely on the skin, it's unscented, so you can customize it with any essential oils or other raw materials that you want that are specific to the action that you're looking for. So all natural. I'm going to get started and make it for you so you can see how easy it is, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so first up, I'm going to pour off the demineralized water that we're going to use in today's recipe. So now that I've got the correct weight for the water, I'm going to put it into our hot water bath. A bain-marie would work. We're using an electric fry pan with water so that it heats up to 70 degrees. So next up, I'm going to weigh out my oil phase, which is my carrier oils and the emulsifying wax. So I'll start with emulsifying wax. Okay, so next up I'm looking at my carrier oils. I've got sunflower and almond. And I'll give that a bit of a stir. And I will put it into the warm water to start heating up as well. So these will now get both to 70 degrees for the next stage in the process. So I'm just checking the temperature. I need them to both get to 70 degrees. So the water and the oil phases both at the same temperature. Okay, so both have reached 70 degrees. So now the oil phase is poured into the water phase directly. And we commence emulsifying. So when you're mixing with your hand blender, short bursts is recommended so that you don't burn out the motor, but also so that you don't over whip the product. It might take some time, but trust us, it will happen. It thickens once it's under 50 degrees, which is the right time to then add your active ingredients. So next up I'm going to add our vitamin E, which is the antioxidant. This stops the oil components from oxidizing, being exposed to oxygen, turning rancid basically. So I'm going to measure that out. Move it off the scale when you are blending. So next up after the vitamin E is the preserving agents. We use 2 natural preservatives, Lucidol and Phytoside elderberry. They're completely natural ingredients, plus not only do they protect your product from things like mold, yeast, fungi, all the nasty things that you don't want growing, but they also have added skin benefits, so they can help with anti-inflammatory and increase the moisturization rate of the cream onto the skin. So we're going to have, Phytoside, elderberry and Lucidol. We're also going to be putting together a blog post, so make sure you check that one out about how to protect your product using natural preservatives. I'm using a pipette even though I'm weighing, just so that I don't over pour. And again, I'm going to mix it in using the blender so that there's even distribution through the whole product. So now that has thickened nicely, it can be jarred off. And with this one, we'll leave the lid off until it's completely cooled to room temperature so that it doesn't form any condensation in the lid. So I hope that you've enjoyed making the natural cream base with us. For more information or any other recipes that we have online, you can just jump on sagecosmetics.com.au. Plus, while you're there, make sure you check out all the details about our upcoming workshops that we have around town. Cool.